First, I'm just going to start off by priming my lids with this Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. I don't even need really that much because a little, like, I feel like just goes a long way. The first time I bought some of this tape shape, it was actually too light for me, and that was kind of a fail. So I'm just gonna blend that out with this Real Techniques concealer brush. Now that the base is down, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking, I don't even know what shade I'm going to take. This light purple shade up here is going to be my first transition shade. This is like my first time dipping in this like purple color. Hopefully it shows up. I'm gonna pack first. Okay, I kind of see a little bit of it. Damn, I have something on this fucking mirror. I'm gonna pack first. I don't set my concealer on my eyes because the pigment shows up more when you don't set the eyes, so I'm not gonna do that. Back in with that shade, and I'm taking this dark purple shade, a Morphe M514 blending brush. So now I'm going back in with this like royal blue shade, royal blue, royal purple. I'm just gonna place that right where I placed that purple shade. I'm using a BH Cosmetics number 6 blending brush. I'm just gonna focus that like right in this area. I don't know if this brush is even like working with this. Going back in with that same shade right here, and I'm just gonna pack this periwinkle blue on my lid. Okay, this is what the eyes are looking like. I need to be blended out, I feel like, a little bit more, like right in this area. I'm gonna use some setting spray. This is the Maybelline Master Fix Face Studio. I'm gonna use use this brush. It's like just a flat brush. I need like I'm gonna just swipe some of this stuff on my lid. On this brush first. And then I'm gonna spray some of this setting spray. And then I'm just going to, I don't even know how I'm gonna put this on, but I'm gonna put it on my lid. See that? How intensified that looks? All right, so now that we're taking a break from the eyes, I'm going in with, don't judge, I know it's like dirty as hell, but this is the face primer by Wet n Wild. So I'm going in with the foundation, Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I love a foundation that's full coverage. I've actually never tried like a semi-full coverage. I think majority of all my foundations are pretty much full coverage. I don't know, it just makes everything like come together and just, I don't know, maybe one day I might try like a skin tint or whatever, but I feel like my skin, as you guys can see, is kind of like a little bit uneven. Like my forehead's a little bit darker and then my face down here is a little lighter. So I feel like, I don't know if that'll work. Just like I said, a full coverage foundation is better for me personally, just because it covers all the blemishes, even the hyperpigmentation I kind of got going on my skin. And again, I'm in the sand 334, which is warm sand if I haven't said it already. I'm just gonna pump. I don't even want to pump this on the back of my hand because I feel like it's just gonna be waste of product. I'll probably try this brush. I'm gonna wet this brush. This is the BH Cosmetics brush number 3. I'm not exactly sure what exact brush this is. I wouldn't say it's like a blush brush because it's kind of like more stiffer. I'm just gonna spray that and I'll spray my face, and then I'm just going to probably do maybe like 3 pumps. I think that should probably be enough. Now I'm looking over here because it's a mirror. Shit, this shit is already thick and I didn't even like dab it all on my skin already. I'm going to cream contour. This is called Collab No Flaws Cream Concealer. This is what it looks like. It's a little lighter than my foundation, just a tad, and it's actually a cream concealer, which is actually really cool. I actually got this from Sally's Beauty Supply, so I seen it, I'm like, huh, I'm gonna try it. So this is my first time using a cream concealer because this is pretty much blending in with my skin. So I'm probably gonna have to use a lighter one. I was actually trying to play it safe because I didn't really know how this was gonna play out. There was one that was like a little bit more lighter than this one, but I was like, I like a bright under eye, but not to where it's like extremely bright, you know? So I was trying to play it safe. This shade is pretty much like my exact same foundation color, so I might need to return this because this is not even giving me the brightness that I want. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Better Skin Camouflage Concealer. I'm just gonna need like 3 dots. I think we'll do just fine. My sponge, get a little damp, and I'm just going to blend that concealer out. So, now that I'm looking like Casper, you know, taking this thin eye powder, baking underneath my eyes. Well, setting my under eyes. I'm not gonna bake. Taking this Sculpt shade right here. I hope you guys can see that. I'm just going to darken my forehead. I'm gonna contour that because the foundation kind of looks a tad light. And this is the finished look. Yeah, that cheek is like cut.